Hello everyone. Today it's a walk down memory lane. I'm showing you my tools from when I was a child of 10 and my dad bought them specially for me. It shows how important it is to encourage children, even at a young age. Here is my little hammer, and gosh, I loved these, and I had a special table for making trinkets. This is my dear little anvil, which I think is so cute, and I still use it today. Is that not the dearest little anvil? I haven't made a tutorial on a piece of jewelry, but I did make this little heart pendant, and it's so easy. I'll just show it to you, and you use a rose quartz heart shaped bead, and I made a cone shape on my pliers. So took my little sharp pointy nose pliers and I wrapped the aluminium wire around it just like that to make a cute little cone. You can use it as a little bead cap also. There we are. It's 1mm aluminium wire, and then I wrapped it around, and the wire through the bead, they are pinheads with little pearls added to them, and then a group of about 3 or 4 go through to the top and finish it off. It's very easy. Take great care of yourselves, and you are very special. Thank you for watching my little walk down memory lane. Bye-bye.